crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about an abbreviation ETR, which stands for extended treble. So a treble stitch is a tall stitch as it is. I've got a swatch here of extended trebles, and the extension makes it a little bit taller still. So how do you make an extended treble? Yarn over twice on your hook as you do normally with a treble stitch. Put it into the stitch that you're working, yarn over and pull up a loop. And at this point you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through one of the loops, creating a chain. As you can see, that is a chain here. And then you complete the stitch as normal. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Let's do that again. So start off as normal, yarn over twice, into the stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over through one of the loops, creating a chain, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, completing treble as normal. So that is ETR, extended treble.